No doubt, you have been taught about the fundamental and technical analysis in stocks investing. You were made to believe that as long as you spend an obscene amount of time looking at financial statements, securities filings, management's presentations, company press releases, earnings calls, stocks analyst reports, that you will be able to make decent profit from the stock market, getting that passive income that enable you to quit your job or retire early. And then as long as you get your entry and exit point correct by looking at the price charts, you will be able to protect yourself from loss while reaping maximum profit. Recall the first day you bought into this belief and start investing in the stock market with such enthusiasm. Time went by, you tried so hard for years, and yet it only gotten you so far. You suffered losses most of the time, or at best, mediocre result. You start to question what you have been believing, what you know, what you have learned. Is there something big out there that I don't know, or am I lacking anything? I can absolutely confirm your suspicion. Imagine right now you are feeling a bit like Alice tumbling down the rabbit hole. You are here because you know something. What you know, you cannot explain, but you feel it. I can see it in your eyes. You felt it your entire life. Something is very wrong with the investing world. You do not know what, but it's there, like a splinter in your mind, making you feeling frustrated, helpless, hopeless. You know what I am talking about, right? Yes, there is this other dark side in the stocks investing world. What you know are just the tip of the iceberg. Consider this iceberg as a metaphor for the invincible hands that move a stock price or even the entire stock market. Invincible hands that does not answer to you but can make you either rake in bucket loads of cash or bleed money until you lose your pants. Things submerged below the water includes companies are being granted government contracts, company that file for patents, company lobbying the government, politicians who has insider knowledge and trade using this information without getting caught, stocks that exchange hands off market, outside of market trading hours. That submerged part of the iceberg is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now in Bursa Malaysia, you can feel the market sways based on the institutional investors' action. Or when you invest in US market, China market, any market, it is a world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth that you have been lied your entire life in your investing journey. In school, they teach you about the periodic table, but they never tell you the two most important elements are this: that you are a slave that provides ready meat to be slaughtered by the big investor out there. That is why they want you to be in the game of stocks investing without any knowledge or access to the right information or even market intelligence. It is no secret that for someone to make money in the stock market, someone must lose. And that someone are always been retail investor like you, like everybody else. You bought into these lies. Advancement in fintech such as commissions-free stocks trading have made it easier than ever to jump into the stock market even with zero knowledge, which has created millions of retail traders around the world. Fresh meat to be slaughtered by institutional investors day in and day out. You are born into a slaughterhouse you cannot smell, taste, or touch. A prison for your mind. Unfortunately, very few people can be told or can be made to even believe this. You must experience it yourself. So, this is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and you believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Remember, all I am offering is truth, nothing more. More info in the description below. Subscribe for the next episode in this series.